Hello everybody, this is Ethan from Simple Computer Tasks. I apologize I haven't made a video in a while, but I've been busy, so today I'm making one, obviously, and this is the first in a three-part series. One of the biggest things that ever happened to the internet, or even happened to computers, was the invention of Google. Google completely changed how and why we use the internet. I mean, even when it was just a simple search engine, it still made such a deep impact on the internet and how we search and look up information. For the better, obviously, but it made Google very powerful, and that's why everyone needs to know how to use it. And that's what this series is all about. I'm going to show you some of the fundamental parts of Google. This first video is all about Gmail, and which I'm going to show you now. Now, I'm not going to show you how to create a Google account because it's pretty self-explanatory, and if you can't figure it out, go to my how to upload a YouTube video, and there it shows you how to make the YouTube account, and a YouTube account is also a Google account because Google owns YouTube. Now, all you have to do is go to google.com, which is right here, and these are just some of the things Google has, and you click on more, and there's even an even more thing. See YouTube. Here you click just Gmail, and that will take you over to my email, simplecomputertasks@gmail.com. By the way, feel free to email me any questions. You can also send me, I apologize for the slow load, but you can also send me questions or comments or whatever via my YouTube inbox. And here is your inbox. When you first create your account, you will receive 3 emails from the Google team, and those are just some of the basics of Google and what it can do. You can read that. It's not necessary. You can just watch my video. Anyway, here is your inbox. As you see, I only have one message, and that's because I deleted some of them. You can click important or star it, and here if you click this check mark box, these come up, and you can click the little trash can, and that will go into your trash. See, it's not actually gone. If you hover over this section with inbox, star, and important, all that, you click more. Here is your trash, and there it is. Of course, you can check it. Probably should have shown you how to do that, but this is what it looks like when you check your email. See, test, all that. Now go back to the inbox simply by clicking inbox. Now, of course, the other thing you need to do with an email is send emails. So you click the big red compose button, and here you type in the email of the person you want to send it to. So I'm going to type in this email. Sorry for the loading thing. I really do apologize. My computer's running a bit slow. My network is being used right now. But see, you just enter the email. Put in the subject, and that can be anything. Blah. And I can put, hello, this is a test. Now, of course, this is just like any other word processor. You can, bold or italicize or underline and all that, and move stuff to the center and to the right, and all of that good stuff that you want. By the way, tab is not the tab key. It's this little indent marker thing. Anyway, you can just click the big red send button, and there it goes. And you can always check what emails you've sent by clicking here in the sent mail thing here. I'm going to show you how to customize your theme as well. To do that, you click on the gear icon here, click that, and this will come down, and under compact settings, themes, click themes, of course. And this will come up. You can see there's a ton of them. And because this is all plain and white and, kind of boring, I'm going to change it up. So there's a ton of them. See, here's mountains. And there's that. Not a big fan. How about planets? That loads up. And here it is. That's pretty cool. You see there's that's the sun, not exactly a planet, but whatever. Then you see you also have a ton of storage here. You have 10.1 gigabytes, and emails do not take up a lot of space. So you will practically never run out of space. And if you do, after millions of emails, you can just delete them from your trash. By the way, to delete from your trash, because they're still here and still taking up data, all you have to do is click it again and press this button that says delete forever, and it's gone from the internet. Another thing you can do with Gmail that is great is the ability to add contacts. And contacts aren't just for Gmail. There's actually, I believe, a contact section of Google. It's probably even more. It's probably less used, but whatever. You click here on the Gmail icon under Google, and here's contacts under Gmail. That's loading up, and here we go. We have a couple of contacts. Let's add one up. This comes up. You just type in the name of a contact. How about this? Click add. That adds right here, and because that's a real account, the name comes up. It already knows the name and the little information about it. If they were to have a picture on their profile, it would show up as well, and you can add in, notes and their phone number, address, birthday, a ton of other stuff. See, phonetic name. Alright. Now, once you have that up, you can go back to Gmail, and when you click compose, all I have to do is type in E, and there it is, Ethan. So it saves you time. Also, there's Google Chat, which is pretty much the same format as Facebook's chat. And here you just click the search people bar here and type in, here he is. You can click invite to chat. That will be sent to him. If he replies yes, then right about here where my mouse is, a tab, I would call it, appears similar to Facebook, and it's just like Facebook chat. You send messages forward and back very fast. One of the coolest things about Gmail that I was very, very excited for when it first came out was the ability to call phones with it. Literally, you can use Gmail to call any phone. You just click this little phone button, and look, this appears, and you type in any number and press call, and it's free. I believe anywhere in the US it might cost a couple cents for long distance. I'm not totally sure, actually, but for the most part it's free. I've used it many times. It's great for, perhaps your phone's dead and you need to call someone really quick, and stuff like that. You don't get your own number with this because, of course that would cost money. It's pretty much just a one-way call from you to them, but you know, I don't care. That's just a crazy awesome feature. And you can just press the X to close that out. And yeah, that's something great. One last thing I'm going to show you is how to add in multiple accounts. For instance, like me, I have many Gmail accounts because I do a lot of stuff on the internet that require me to have multiple email accounts. Like, you know, obviously Simple Computer Task is not my personal email. I'm not going to release that. Anyway, you just click on your name here. This comes down, and of course you can sign out by clicking the sign out button. Also, let's see, you see here, join Google Plus. By the way, I'm going to show you that in the third part of this three-part series. Anyway, obviously you click add account, and that will take you to your Google login page. Now, I'm just going to type in this. This is just a fake email. Feel free to spam it if you really want to. You don't have to type in @gmail.com. You can just put in everything before that. That's what your username is. Just click sign in. Sorry. Sign in. I apologize. Sometimes I screw up while making these videos. They're not very highly edited. I'm using a program that doesn't really allow for that much. Anyway, here you go. This is another Gmail account, just like the other one. As you can see, this one is not customized. And to get back to that one, you might notice that this is a bit different. This will change when you join Google Plus. There's plus Walter. That's this fake emails name, Walter Swanson. Anyway, yeah, it's like a social network, but yeah, definitely watch that video. It's pretty cool. Anyway, you click where you clicked last time, and see, here's your other one, Simple Computer Task, and you just click on that one, and that's the default one. So when you get on to Gmail, that's the one that will come up. And here you are back here. The theme will load in a couple seconds. It's loading up. Anyway, yeah, you see, Gmail is a great feature. It's probably the best way to use email anywhere on the internet. And one of the best parts, obviously, is that it's free. And my computer, like I said, my network's running pretty slow right now, and the theme's not loading up right now. But 99% of the time, that theme's going to come up immediately. So yeah, just click sign out, and that'll sign you out of both accounts. And here you are, back at the Gmail homepage. So I encourage everyone to have a Gmail account. Gmail is probably the best email account there is out there. There's others that come close. I'm not going to name any particular names, but you know. Anyway, yeah. Please subscribe to my videos. If you send me your YouTube account's name, I might give you a shout out. Not might, I probably will. Anyway, yeah, I know I don't have many views at the moment, but you know, let's get those up, guys. You guys are the ones that make that happen. So anyway, thank you.